What's up, YouTube? It's your boy kbklyn. Hopefully you can hear me. I had to cover this so I don't have the mic connected. I didn't know if it was going to be messed up with the snow coming down. I didn't want to take a chance. So I'm just taking a walk in the BX during the snowstorm. It's actually pretty nice out here. You know, it's not cold. It's pretty cool. Snow looks nice. So I just wanted to come out and film some of it. And maybe tomorrow I'll bring out the drone, see what that looks like. So this is just a walk in the snow. I might walk to the park, see what the park is looking like. This is 2021, February. Amazing. Really pretty when it's fresh. So yeah, just enjoy this walk with me. Please, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. This is really amazing and pretty. Look how white this is. Just a walk in the park. Nothing special. Hopefully some of y'all enjoy it. You know, kids out here playing.
ZZ moving, ZZ moving, ZZ moving in the house. ZZ moving. You got cool beats gonna throw that.
Man, this is so beautiful. Wow. Amazing. You can see the park is kind of empty. You know, a few kids playing in the snow, which is good to see them out, not on the Xbox or the PlayStation. Man, this is really nice. Just sitting here enjoying this weather. Really nice outside. Decided to step out. For those of y'all that don't live in New York City, maybe that you can enjoy this, you know, be like, wow, I haven't seen snow in a while. Hopefully you can hear me. But if you can't, sorry. It's your boy kbklyn. Gotta get some water so it can freeze, man. That'd be nice. I'll be here playing with y'all. Man, it feels good to be a kid again, boy. They out here playing on the sled. This is so beautiful, people. Look at this. Wow, this is nice. This is what winter is supposed to look like. Tune in tomorrow. Hopefully I can throw up my drone. It's just hard to fly a drone when it's snowing because, you know, snow is water. So I do not want my drone to drop out the air. So I'll probably get up bright and early, charge it. And if you tune back in tomorrow, you might see some drone shots. And you know how you can tune back in tomorrow if you forget? By hitting that subscribe button. And the best part about it, it's free. That's right. They say the best things in life for free. Just here waiting for the light. Enjoying the weather. I don't know who that was, but I guess he wants to be in the video. Oh man, this is really beautiful. It's not cold out here, nothing. See if I get this light. Alright, we good. Just a walk in the park, people. I'm happy that y'all walking with me. That's right, sitting in your house, PJs on, chestnut, throw some by open fire. Sit back and enjoy. For those of y'all who don't get to appreciate the snow or be here, that's why I'm doing it, just for you. This is really beautiful, people. Man, oh man. Video probably gives it no justice. So nice. And you know what the beautiful part? It's not cold out here. That's the thing that I'm loving. And man, it's just the trees when they're covered like this. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Just a walk in the park, fans. Just a walk in the park. Man, this is beautiful. This just really made my day. I didn't really think snow would wake me up like this. Look how beautiful this is. This is the exercise part. Look at that tree. Look how beautiful that tree is. All covered in snow. Matter of fact, I might take y'all to a park. Matter of fact, let's cut through. See what we're looking like in the park. Still beautiful. So nice, folks. Let's take a moment to stop this thing right here. What's going on, brother? Get some good shots? Huh? Yeah, thank you. Get some good shots? I say you get some good shots? Yeah, this is so pretty. I had to come out and enjoy it too, man. For sure. This is really like, it look. I can't wait to throw my drone up tomorrow. Get some drone shots. Yeah, I'm taking a little shortcut, actually, you know, through the park, so I can get y'all some good footage. Would like to get closer. There's some ducks in that pond right there, lake, whatever you want to call it. Man, is this beautiful or what? This is, oh my God, this is nice. I feel like I'm not in New York City. I cut through the park, I'm in the Bronx, folks. This is what it's looking like in the Bronx. Man, this is really nice, man. Look at this right here. Beautiful. Oh, almost took a fall. I'll be walking through the park. Man, I'm glad y'all taking this walk with me from your sofas. I'm sitting back in the PJs, some hot chocolate. Just a walk in the park, through the park, around the park. 2021 snowstorm, February. Nice and quiet, some me time, some us time, some YouTube time. Hey, you know what? I want to thank y'all for subscribing. I'm not really started doing my YouTube page yet. Soon, this year, hopefully, you will see more of me. It's gonna be a little bit of this, you know, just like catching nature scenes, music, just life. It's gonna be my life. Starting all over. You'll see. New friends, new people, new way of living. That's right, this pandemic opened up my eyes, opened up my ears. Oh, we are coming towards a bridge. Okay. Oh, look at this shot right here, ladies and gentlemen. Is that beautiful or what? Crossing the bridge. That's right, this is still the park. Just trying to give y'all different angles. Hope y'all enjoying it. This is amateur filming. I'm no professional. I think I see another bridge. Alright, it's not cold out here, but the hands are a little cold, but not too bad. Another bridge. Just checking. Y'all still with me? The K Brooklyn fam, y'all still with me? Oh man, I appreciate y'all. Man, I really hope y'all are enjoying this. I mean, the ones that's not in New York City, that's never seen snow or haven't seen snow in a long time, it's for you. So hopefully you're enjoying it. All right. Back to the scheduled program. That's your masterpiece? Okay? Thank God it's snow. This is so pretty, man. Like, this made my day. It's not.
Over there?
Oh, it's nice over there too? Okay. And it's warm. That's the good part. It's not cold out. This is beautiful, folks. Man, look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Man, this is a beautiful walk in the park. Telling you, tune in tomorrow. The weather's good and I can throw my drone up. This is the view right now from me walking. Try to get a view with the drone. That should be amazing. Oh man, look at this tree right here. It's covered in snow. Beautiful. Just a walk through the park. Nothing special. Hopefully it puts a smile on your face. A walk through the park. Man, it's clears the mind, people. This is like a little Zen moment. kids to sleep, come back, watch the video, get to enjoy this. Definitely a Zen moment. I should have got out earlier. Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, I know. It's fantastic. It's too much.
I said this, huh?
It's so beautiful.
That's what I said. That's why I said, we get out and enjoy this. This made my day, man. This is like,
me too.
I'm so happy, like, for this.
No, I love it. I love it.
Yeah, same here, man.
All right.
Ooh, let's take you over here. Look at this. Look how pretty this is. Man, Mother Nature did her thing today. Woo, let's all give it up for Mother Nature. Look at that. Man, this is beautiful. See a lot of people, well, not a lot of people, a few people out here walking. Just they want to get away, and it's just like, wow, this is really putting smiles on people's faces. Especially the stress that we're going through in 2020 leading to 2021. Yeah, it's good to see a lot of adults out here just cleansing their soul. A little something different. We haven't had this snow like this in 4 to 5 years. Yeah.